Okay, so if you want to mod in a new arrow recipe into 7 Days to Die, this is how you go about it. So 7 Days to Die and Steam is installed on my C drive, so you just need to go to the folder C, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, 7 Days to Die, Data, Config. Once you're in there, you'll find a file called recipes.xml. If you right click on that file, you can edit it with Notepad, which is built into Windows. So I've already opened it here in my Notepad file. And you can see up here is the original recipe for creating an arrow, which contains a small rock, a piece of wood, and a feather. So all I did is I've copied that, pasted it down here, and changed it to be one small rock, one piece of wood, and 2 cloth. I just wanted it to be slightly different, so I chose 2 cloth instead of 1, but you can change how much you need here. Now these names here are quite obvious. I knew that I wanted to use cloth, so I just looked further through the file until I found where cloth was mentioned, and that showed me what I needed to put in here. So then you just save that file and your new recipe appears in the game. So if I now switch back to here, to the game itself, hit tab, and have I got arrow? Yeah. So here we are. Here's my new recipe for arrow. You can see it takes cloth fragments, and here's the original one where it takes a feather. So I've now got 2 ways of building the same item in 7 Days to Die. Yeah, there you go. That's all.